Hey there, welcome back to Julie's Wreath Boutique. We are going to make a stunning fall floral wreath tonight. It is beautiful and it is so easy. And you know what? I'm keeping this one for my front door, so let's get started. Hey there, so we are going to do a wreath tonight, and this was actually from an Amazon Live. And you guys seem to love it so much, I needed to show you here on my YouTube channel. So I downloaded the video. I look like a hot mess, but you know the drill. When you have a grapevine wreath, we give it a little bit of a haircut. So I found these really beautiful fall ferns over at Michael's. I will do my best to find them online and leave them in the description box. But just like anything, I separate them and I cut them. And I'm using my SureBonder glue pot. You're not going to be able to see this in the video because it would be too hot to show you, but I will link that down below too. So basically, we're going to start. I pretty much let the audience tell me how to do this wreath, like, you know, what side and everything. So we started off with these beautiful fall colored ferns, and I just love the look of these. Michael's does a really good job making beautiful florals. And I don't know, the last time I was in Michael's, you're probably not going to find these in the store, so I will link them and hopefully you can order them online. So we're just going to put them here and there. You can't mess this up. You're going to just kind of like space them out, and what you do on the bottom, you're going to do at the top. You can see me looking at the camera, but we're going to just speed this along, and I'm just going to show you kind of the placements of everything. Again, we're dipping this in the glue pot, and I just kind of talking along the way. But this was so much fun. I was just really, I don't know, I guess I tend to love floral projects a little bit more than like my flowers and stuff. We also are going to use this pampas grass. I believe I got this from Hobby Lobby, so I will try to find the link for that too. But again, you're just going to play with it. It's not that hard, and I try to balance it out, and then I like to separate the stems. So they have about 3 stems per each. Now, this is a eucalyptus, and I believe these are stems that I also got at either Hobby Lobby or Michael's. Again, I'm going to check and see where I found them. And we're just going to add them, guys. That's pretty much all we're going to do, is we're just going to kind of add them here and there. And after we make the bow, you'll see me add even more. I just like to make it go even further. So I just kind of feel like this is a style of wreath that will never go out of style. I mean, I remember my mom making wreaths like this. Again, I had another bush of these ferns, so we're going to get those out, cut some more, and add them. I kind of decided that I needed a little less room in the middle for where the bow is, so I wanted to fill that in a little bit more. But it's just so easy to do. It's just simple. Now, if you notice, I'm making this on a wreath stand, and this is made by Probo the Hand, and it's called Probo the Stand. You can get these wreath stands at probothehand.com. It's much, much cheaper to go to their website and purchase this. This is a little bit of an investment, but I've used this several times. If you didn't check my live out on Facebook this week and Instagram, we did that. But I love this stand. So, so nice. And it has a holder for your glue gun and tools, and you can take it off. I show you how you can do it. It just is a very phenomenal product. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add these really pretty flowers. I'm not really sure what you would call them, but I love the colors. But as I'm cutting these and adding them into my wreath frame here, I want to tell you about a workshop, and it's going to take place September 19th, 20th, and 21st. And I know you guys are here and you follow me because we make beautiful crafts. Well, did you know that I'm a social media business coach? And if you are somebody who's trying to sell your crafts, maybe you're a baker or a photographer or somebody who just wants to learn more about social media and how to market it better for yourself, that's what I teach. And so this week, September 19th, 20th and 21st, I'm going to be teaching you how to craft viral content. And when I say how to craft it, I'm going to talk about specific things that you can do to grow your audience. Because when you grow your audience, you grow your customer base. And sometimes people like to say or use the phrase, oh, the market is oversaturated. Guys, it's not. It really isn't. There's too many people in this world for your market to be oversaturated. Tell that to Coke, tell that to Pepsi, and they're going to say, yeah, we'll keep coming out with new products. But listen, if you want to join, it is $19 to join. It is not a free program, but it's at least a minimum of a $60 value. And I promise you will walk away with some tools in your tool belt to help you in your social media game. So click on the link down below. Make sure you join us because I don't want you to miss out on this. It's really going to be a once in a, quarter type of thing. And I want to share with you my knowledge. So anyways, let's get back to the wreath. So as you can see, we've put some more florals, and the key to this is taking a floral bush and taking it apart and then cutting out pieces of it, because then that way you don't want to just take a whole floral bush and just glue it right into your wreath. You want to separate it out, and you really want to be the artist here. So that's pretty much what you're doing. I'm so sorry. I don't know why the camera's coming in and out. I think it was trying to focus on me. But it's been a busy week here. We've been launching for this workshop, and so I really wanted to show you this wreath because it's so pretty. It's so, so pretty, and I can't wait to put this on my front door. I need to do that now because I've gotten all my fall supplies out. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to keep adding some things, and then I'm going to show you how to make the bow. So when we were on Amazon, I had to show it a little far away, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to take a Pro Bow, the 4-in-1. Yes, this is all about the Pro Bow, and you're going to go to the 5-inch mark. We're using wired 1.5-inch ribbon. And I'm going to go to the 5-inch mark, and then I'm going to do that 2 more times, and I'm going to pinch it in the middle, and I'm going to twist it before I put it down there, and we're going to make 3 loops here, okay? And so basically what's happening, I don't know why, I hope this isn't slowing down for you, but it is a little bit for me. Then we're going to go to the 4-inch, and we're going to make 3 more loops on the 4-inch. And that's what I love about this bow. It's kind of like a bow recipe, and it's super simple to do. If you do not have one of these for the Christmas, the Christmas holidays, or just the holidays in general, fall time, whenever, you're going to want it. So the last thing you're going to do is put a 3-inch loop on each side, just 1 loop on each side. And then we are going to cut the end and our tail here. And we're going to take that wire that we put down in between those little dowels, and we're going to take it and cross it, and then we're going to twist it. Once we're done twisting it, we are going to make a middle section for this, and I'm going to just take a piece of that same ribbon. I'm going to cut off the wire edges, and then I'm going to fold it over, and then we're going to put it over top of the center. Here I'm like figuring out which way does that end of that bow go. So you're going to put it there. I'm moving my wires over because I want them to be in between the wires when I tie it. I'm simply just doing a slip knot, and I'm cutting it off. That's it. That's all I'm doing. And then we're going to fluff out this bow. It took me about less than 5 minutes to fully make this whole bow. And it was just so easy to do. And my hands don't hurt. And I don't know about you, but I have carpal tunnel. And I know it's from probably, working with my hands so much. But this just truly makes it so much easier. So now we're going to take that bow, and we're going to put it on our wreath. It's going to be beautiful, but you can get this ribbon over at the wreath shop. So here's me back in the studio. As you can see, you can get a little bit, oops, my wreath fell off. But this is a little behind the scenes look of my studio. You can see I have a lot of florals in the back there. Those are just literally, we did this like slat wall, and we got hooks for the wreath frames. You can't see those in here. But we got these waste baskets, and my husband drilled holes in the back of them, and we have these little hooks. And that's how we're storing all the florals in the studio. It is so much fun. That little thing, the little white thing table on to the left, I got at IKEA. I did a video a few weeks back of me making labels for it and everything, but I had moved that around. I keep that by my workstation here so that all of my supplies are right close to me. So I really love that. I'm just kind of talking because I just want to show you the process. You're going to dovetail your ribbon. I always do this. But the it's not a desk, it's an island, an old kitchen island that the previous owners left for us here at the house, and we put a butcher block countertop on it, and we put new hardware, and we painted it black with Wreath junk paint. And let me tell you, if you ever need to clean or ever need to paint any type of cabinets or furniture and you want it the easy way and have a beautiful finish, Wreath junk paint is the only way to go. So I will leave a link for them in the description box. But here I am, knowing that I want a little bit more. So when you want to like break down a stem, and maybe you don't want a full stem, find a spot where you can just cut it, and it will help fill your wreath. As you can see, I'm talking with my hands there. But this was so easy to do, and you know what? I just really wanted to share it with you because it's turned out so beautifully. But listen, if you want to be in my workshop, you're going to want to sign up tonight because it starts Tuesday, and we're going to talk about how to craft viral content, how to get the kind of content on your social medias to attract those customers, guys. I'm good at it. I know how to do it. I grew my page 4 years ago on Facebook. I was looking at my Facebook memories today, and I had 30,000 followers on Facebook. You know how many I have today? I have over 945,000 followers on Facebook. I didn't do it with Facebook ads. I did it with content, and I want to show you how to do that too. So make sure to join us. Each day we will have 2 opportunities for you to watch. It'll be at noon or 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It'll be the same content each day, but if you want to join both, you can join both. But I wanted to give you guys the most amount of time to listen and learn. Okay, so I want to have you guys in there. I can't wait. I did a live about this the other day, so you can check my YouTube video feed for that. But the link will be pinned in the comments, and it'll be in the description box. It is $19, and it's worth every single cent. I already have everything ready to go, and I cannot wait to share it with you. If you made it all the way through this video, number 1, I will leave the links for as many of the products that I used in here in the description box. A lot of this came from Michael's, guys, so you can probably order it online. It'd probably be the best way to get it. And then if you made it all the way through, could you leave me a rose in the comments? You guys are amazing and fabulous. You watched till the end. And this is really how you help support my business, is by watching me here on YouTube. You guys are the best. And I want to know in the comments, you know, if you have an idea of like, Julie, I want to see this and I want to see that. I would love to see it. But soon we're going to do a studio tour. Haven't done it yet, but I will get to it. And you guys have a fabulous evening, and we'll see you next week in Julie's Wreath Boutique. Bye-bye.